Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of convenience and portability with the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Touchpad. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's unveil this impressive piece of tech and see what it's all about. Behold, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. This incredibly thin and compact keyboard is designed to be your perfect on-the-go companion, and it even comes with a free stand holder for your device. But let's dive deeper into what makes it stand out. The first thing you'll notice is its folding design. This keyboard can be folded up and stowed away in your pocket or bag without taking up much space at all. It's the ultimate travel companion, making it a fantastic choice for business trips or remote work on the go. Now, here's the real kicker, the built-in touchpad. This isn't your ordinary keyboard. It comes with a sensitive touchpad that supports multi-touch gestures, allowing you to control your device without the need for a separate mouse. It's all about convenience and efficiency, folks. Let's talk battery life. With just 2 to 3 hours of charging, this keyboard's built-in rechargeable battery can last up to 48 hours of continuous use or an astounding 560 hours on standby. That's enough to power through your business trip or vacation without worries. Now, let's shift our focus to design and aesthetics. The Samsers keyboard sports an elegant dark gray matte exterior. It's not just about looks. It's made of sturdy ABS plus PC material, ensuring it can handle the wear and tear of daily use without breaking a sweat. Connecting your devices? Easy as pie. This keyboard plays nice with all your Bluetooth devices, whether you're using iOS, Android, or Windows. Plus, it maintains a stable connection within a 10-meter range. Turn it on, and it automatically reconnects to your last paired device. And of course, Samsers has your back. Samsers offers you 24-hour email response, 100% satisfaction service, and lifetime technical support. They're there for you every step of the way. In conclusion, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Touchpad is all about blending portability, efficiency, and style into one neat package. If you're a digital nomad, traveler, or anyone who values on-the-go productivity, this keyboard might just become your new best friend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tech savvy.